Hi guys, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. This year, let's be practical and not spend all your hard-earned money on the super expensive flowers out there. Let me show you how to DIY roses using paper notes. You do it yourself, present it to your partner, and at the end of the day, he or she can actually use these to purchase the things that they have always desired. Okay, obviously the material needed are paper notes. Okay, you can use 10 ringgits, 50 ringgits. Depending on how generous you are, you can even use 100 ringgits. Alright, let's start. We need 3 pieces of paper notes to make 1 stalk of flower. Get a paper note. Hold your paper note like this and roll the corner. Can you see it? Just roll it like that. Roll on each 4 corners. Just roll it. Just roll it. Yeah, can you see it? Just roll it. Repeat. Here, roll it. Okay, I've got 3 corners done. 1, 2, 3, and the last one here. Simply roll it again. Yeah. Okay, repeat on the other 2 notes. So you're going to get it like that. 1, 2, 3. All the corners rolled up. Once you have got all the corners rolled up, you just need to fold it like that. Squeeze the middle. Push it down. Hold it. Push this part down. And hold it again. Okay, so basically you're going to get it like that. You get me? Let me show you again. We just fold it in half. And this part, you bring it down. This part, you bring it down. Just squeeze it like that. Yeah. Alright. So your paper note is supposed to look like this. And we use something like anything like I use pipe cleaner to actually hold it in place. Yeah, I hold it like that. Turn it, twist it. Twist the pipe cleaner so that your paper note is in place. Okay, you got me? Once you got it like that, just try to bring it up. Put the notes together. Try to put the notes together. If you don't get me, let me try to show you again. You see, all roll up. Then fold it into 2. Fold it half. Okay, fold it half. This part, fold it down. This part, fold it down again. Can you see it? It's okay if it's crumpled. One, 2, 3. So you hold it, take your pipe cleaner, secure it, twist it around. Okay, once you got it like that, secured, you just push the petal up. This is supposed to be the petal, so you just push it up. Push the petal up. Try to put them together like that. Okay. Put it aside. Repeat on the next one. Ta-da. Okay, so we have 3 now. What you need to do is to put them together. Okay, we start with the first one. I'm going to bring up the petals. Yeah, close them together. They should form a little flower right now. Can you see? Just squeeze them like that. You take the next one, put this, wrap it over, wrap the second flower over. Yeah. You see it's slowly shaping into a rose. You just need to wrap it over. Slowly shaping into a rose. And you get your third, wrap them over again. Once you got it nicely wrapped, can you see it? Yeah, once you get it nicely wrapped, you just use one of the pipe cleaner, twist it around to secure them. See? And you actually got a stalk of rose. Can you see that? Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3 stalk of roses. Let's put them together. Secure it. It's actually beautiful, isn't it? They are beautiful, aren't they? Ta-da! Isn't it lovely?